okayfm 101.7.
Master, na yanko enough yani Honorable Inusah Fuseini, we're a private legal practitioner, former MP for Tamale Central. Na you know Honorable Chinkomo. Teacher Inusah Mochi.
I'm doing the
Boko na oswe.
I'm here, Lamuswe.
Boko pa. Anono ya tisawunia Haruna. Kase. So wamoba parliament sitting na. Obe movie article 94G no. Na nipa bia say wamo ejina as independent candidates no. Nipa be for no. Ya wamo speaker wamo firo na afi ye declare wamo seat no vacant. Enti ya ba saa dia na emammo minority for no ba be majority in parliament. Na majority for na be minority. Na saa nkomo yi etisɛn ɛwɔ ho.
okayfm.
Oh, I'm only kind of say. You na check what is there. Yeah, FM. Now the honor Idrisu attend the Okayano a constitutional basis. No constitutional basis no Article 97 of the Constitution, and particularly Article 97 1 June. Instances can be declared vacant. So it's one of the conditions under which a parliamentary seat can be declared vacant. Say, to a member of parliament on a ticket of a political party. Now while in parliament is seeking to go independent. And move with one of the conditions under which the seat can be declared vacant.
Now, honorable, my main kind 97G na yekin na fe eboyin pa wadawma was if he leaves the party of
no, starting from the preamble. No.
A member of parliament shall vacate his seat in parliament. Na me fa yin into as well. If he leaves the party of which he was a member at the time of his election to parliament to join another party or seeks to remain in parliament as an independent member, or he was elected a member of parliament as an independent candidate and joins a political party.
Yes. So you see the basis of that assertion by Honorable Idrisu. Because a rule of parliament and you contest as an independent member of parliament. MPP4 on the letter written by John Bredu says that you automatically lose your membership of the party. Automatically. Now say Onipa, a member of parliament, or losing the membership of his party on to mean what parliament view. Because on your member of that party. That's number one. Number two, say independent, as an independent member, I mean a candidate in an election, so automaticity it triggers into ultimate member of parliament view.
But I honorable obvious argument here say maybe this provision in the constitution is shrouded in ambiguity because the person is seeking to run as a member of parliament for another parliament. Not the optimism here. And I've been in a situation where the party has not written to parliament to that effect. And also we are kind of saying.
No, so the party has written to parliament.
Oh, okay.
The party wrote to parliament in the 7th parliament, invoking Omu constitutional provisions. In the case of second deputy speaker Isiama, which Omuka said by their constitution, Omu quoted the relevant provisions of their constitution. HSA said Obi Ejina independent member of parliament. That automaticity, so they have written to parliament already. It's part of the historical documents of parliament. So, number two, you should go behind and understand the reason why that provision is in the Constitution. Article 97(1)G is in the Constitution. Article 97(1)G enter a situation in which a parliament, like the 8th parliament, because of the configuration of parliament, will be actually crossover to disturb the configuration of parliament and make parliament fluid. You can be an independent member of parliament, but not when that parliament is sitting. When you are not when you are a member of the parliament, in which you are trying to stand independent on the next one.
Never say, we need to say, man, Cynthia Morrison. He's an elected member of parliament for now, yes, on the ticket of the MPP. Well, now, she has expressed the intent, say, the next parliament as independent candidate. Now, I don't know, does it amount to cross-carpeting? And I said,
it amounts to forfeiting her membership of the MPP. And if you are not a member of the MPP, you can't be in parliament because you have been elected on the ticket of the MPP.
Okay.
Or you don't see it? Yes. So you will stand on the ticket, if you are on the ticket of MPP in parliament, and you decide that you are going to contest as an independent member of parliament, you forfeit the membership. And so you will have the legitimacy to continue to occupy that seat in parliament.
And now, he's seeking for their removal from parliament.
Yes, seeking for their removal, seeking for parliament to so declare their seats vacant. Consistent with decision there, FIA in terms of as regards the validity of the continuous occupation of Asiama in the 7th parliament.
The then Speaker of Parliament erred in law.
Oh, so Eugene Bachi was in Parliament. And so if the Speaker errs, he knows what to do in Parliament. He brings a substantive motion to challenge the decision of the Speaker. Or yes, sir, no, our Parliament. And insofar as the decision of the Speaker has not been challenged, it becomes precedent. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And other speakers might want to follow that precedent.
Now, my deal with you. Now, does it lie in the powers of the Speaker so be declared vacant? And as a Basaya, why is so to be declared again vacant? And I'll be mayor motion.
So you are right. So, Professor Makokwe as Speaker, no? MPP for petitioning Parliament to declare a CMS seat vacant, no? My view was that, and I was in Parliament, and Mr. Regina Ekasaye, my view was that petition should have been submitted to Parliament for Parliament to debate it. Even the propriety of that petition, whether the party had locus to petition, whether the petition had been well received. But that was my view. Okay? Before the Speaker, and the Parliament had debated it and come to a conclusion, then the Speaker will rule on that conclusion for the decision of Parliament. Now, because Speaker yes or no, that's why Eugene is raising this issue, and I raise that issue. But having said that, a president already, that a decision of this nature came before Parliament, and that this is what the Parliament ruled on that issue.
Yeah, what is say a president in Parliament? Parliament is a house of records. Now, sir, holding the view say the then Speaker held in making such a pronouncement now. And no more can it be relied on? Say a bit in the
rely on until it's set aside.
Oh, okay.
Until it is set aside. If you don't set aside the ruling of the Speaker, it becomes the ruler of the Speaker.
All right.
So if Honorable Arma raises the matter tomorrow, and somebody thinks that the decision was wrong, then somebody can bring a counter motion to even challenge the earlier decision and to expunge that precedent and urge that the Speaker should not follow that precedent. And it will be debated.
It will be very interesting in Parliament, I think, tomorrow.
Yeah, so that's it. But parliamentary democracy is very good. It's very interesting.
Now, does it need say Ambiguity court the Supreme Court for interpretation?
101.
Yes, because you have already raised the ambiguity of the situation.
Mm-hmm.
You have already raised the ambiguity. You see, what the provision is saying is that if you are in Parliament and you seek to be an independent member of that same Parliament. That's okay. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And that provision is interpreted differently now.
Mm-hmm.
So there's ambiguity also. So someone can go to the Supreme Court for interpretation.
Oh, okay. Papa, mami na was an pay.
And that's it.
Measurement as a pa. Honorable Alhaji inusah Fuseini, a primary legal practitioner, were a former MP for Tamale Central. And you're not actually commander now.
OKFM 101.7.